Hello, Move with Grace moms and dads. This is James from the studio, just with a quick tutorial on making payments through your parent portal. Of course, payments can be made at any time at the studio at the front desk with Visa, MasterCard, or debit, cash, or check. You can also send e-transfers to us at robinmwg@gmail.com or at info@movewithgrace.ca. However, you have the ability in your parent portal at any time to make payments by logging in from our main website to the family login link. Clicking through, you will go to your parent portal using your credentials that you've been emailed. Now, in Parent Portal, there are a few ways that you can access the payment options. The first thing I'll draw your attention to is on your main screen. Under the Your Account, there is a What You Owe Presently amount that is listed. If you look below that, there is a Make a Payment. Click through on that link, and you can make a payment directly here using a Pay Online feature, which will allow you to make a Stripe payment using a credit card or online debit. You can also use PayPal through this service. In this case, through the What You Owe link, you can see that it lists out what each student in your family owes, and you can print statements or view statements from this page as well. Conversely, you can also go to the Visa tab for Pay that is on the quick links. This brings you to essentially the same screen. Now, I will also point out that in any of the payment pages, you can either go through the Pay Online and go through to Stripe payment, or you can also set up the convenient Autopay feature by adding your credit card directly with Stripe through this convenient portal. Once this is set up, your monthly tuition will be billed on the first of each month, automatically after the billing has been run. This is the easy way that you can pay through the Move with Grace portal. Thanks, guys.